Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Royal playing cards. The Royal playing cards are 100% plastic playing cards. Overall, these 100% plastic playing cards are much more durable, don't bend as easily, and are much easier to shuffle. The Royal playing cards are superior quality playing cards. And they are affordable playing cards. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The Royal playing cards come with two standard playing cards decks in a case. These playing cards are portable and inexpensive, and the rules are easy to learn. The Royal playing cards are great for spending fun and quality time with friends and family. Everybody will have a lot of fun playing cards. Each deck of these playing cards consists of 52 cards. Each of these decks of Royal playing cards comes in different colors, one red and another black. Each deck also includes two jokers, each with a different color combination. There are 13 cards in each of the four suits: the clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Clubs and spades are black, and hearts and diamonds are red. These Royal playing cards are easy to shuffle. Card games have always been a great way to pass the time. Playing cards can teach us so many essential skills, for example, math skills and memory skills, as well as strategic thinking. Each card suit includes 3 court cards, face cards, king, queen, and jack, with reversible, double-headed images. These playing cards are durable and long-lasting. There are so many powerful benefits and advantages of playing card games. Laughter, competition, excitement, and the desire to win make playing cards one of the most entertaining ways to pass the time with family and friends. With a standard 52 card deck, you can play, for example, Hearts game, Fantan game, Euchre game, and much more. Several reasons make card games so popular. Generally, the rules are simple and can accommodate more than 2 players. The entire deck has 52 cards, plus 2 Joker's cards. The Joker card acts as the topmost trump or the best bower in some card games. You can put a deck of cards in your pocket and play hundreds of different games. I find these Royal playing cards so beautiful. You can get these cards almost everywhere, and they are affordable. In summary, the Royal playing cards are 100% plastic playing cards. These playing cards are long-lasting. These playing cards come with 2 standard playing cards decks. Each card deck includes 52 cards and 2 Joker cards. Please do not forget to like this video. Share this video with friends. Leave your comments in the comment section. And subscribe to my channel.